What's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna shoot my dad with a Nerf gun. So, yeah. He's in the basement right now. I'm gonna sneak in the basement and kapow. We already got caught once. I'm trying it again. Was getting it, so I'm just gonna. Check out our free courses at richwoodbank.com. Oh, I forgot. Guys, he got him. Oh crap, he caught me. He caught me. Oh god. I can still try though. If he doesn't work, cool. I think I'm just gonna go for the auto. Just step on the stairs and shoot. Oh god. The gun wasn't even cocked anyway, so. Oh my god. Shoot. I keep forgetting to do that. Put your hands up! Finally. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Not all of it yet. So, no thank you yet. I hope you didn't click off. I'm doing one more. Okay? Going for alley-oop. even though it's not an alley-oop. I'm just shooting it out of both barrels. Alright. Gun is ready. Nerf gun. Put your hands up! Oh, I missed. I missed both of them. Almost just slipped us there. Oh. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. One more. Please. Come on. Alright, this is the last one. And this and this again.
This one through center.
I missed the nut shot. I don't know where he is. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
His mistake is he didn't go down on either.
I think I got him in the nuts! I got him! I got him in the nuts! We're out of here! I got him in the nuts! In the nuts. Let's go! Alright, now thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me if you just like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, you know. So I'll catch you next time. Peace. Yeah, hello, Juicy Fruit.